Hi everyone, my name is Ori and I'm the co-founder of Upright. I'm so happy you're joining us today and taking your first steps to improve your posture. Let's begin by taking a look at what's in the box you received. There is the Upright Go, a USB charger, reusable adhesives, a travel case, alcohol pads, and adhesive removal tool. The first thing you should do is download the Upright Go app, available on Google Play or the Apple Store. Answer a few questions that will help us build your personal training plan and follow the instructions. In the app, you'll also get stats on your progress and your daily Upright score. In this video, I would like to show you a few things that will help you get started. This is my Upright Go. You can see it's connected because it's blinking green. If your light is red, it means you need to charge your Go because the battery is out. Start by connecting your Go to your app. Once connected, remove the green cover from the adhesive and place the Upright Go vertically on your back, between your shoulder blades. Everywhere your hand can reach is okay. Now, let's teach the device what is your upright posture, so it can accurately vibrate whenever you start to slouch. It's time to find your upright posture. Straighten your back, but do not overextend. This is a common mistake. Take a deep breath and relax. Roll your shoulders back. Being upright should feel comfortable and relaxed. When you feel you are in your upright position, press Set Posture in the app and wait 1 second while the device learns your upright posture. When you feel the Upright Go is not responding well to your movements, we recommend resetting your posture either through the app or from the device. Once the Go is set, it will track the angle of your back and will notify you with a gentle vibration whenever you slouch. This vibration is slightly delayed to give you time to straighten up so that the Go is not vibrating on every slight movement forward. Please note, the Upright Go alerts when slouching forward or leaning forward, not backwards. These reminders help you be more mindful of your posture. This next feature will help you customize your Go to your needs. You can customize the vibration setting to a pattern or strength you like in the settings screen. The last feature we will discuss today is the trainer. In the trainer feature, there are 3 options available: stationary, standard, and active. These preset options are designed to better fit your day-to-day activities. So for example, if in the office you go from meeting to meeting or going out for lunch, choosing the active trainer will set the Go to be more forgiving so it won't immediately vibrate when you slouch. On the other hand, if you know you're going to spend a lot of hours in front of your computer, choose the stationary trainer to get immediate feedback whenever you start to hunch over. We want your feedback and sessions to be comfortable as possible. Find the right time and location throughout the day to do your daily training. We recommend training at your workstation. That's working best for us and for a lot of our customers. The best way to work on your posture is to follow your personalized training plan in the app and be consistent. Consistency is really the key. The training plan consists of training sessions that vary in length. These sessions will strengthen your core and help train your brain to be more aware of your posture throughout the day. The Upright Go is meant for training in a closed, cool environment, mainly while seated or when doing moderate activity. It is not meant to use while partaking in physical activity that causes sweating. Lastly, don't forget to take your Go off your back and charge it overnight. To learn more about how to use the Upright Go, check out our other YouTube videos, our Learn More section in the app, or contact our customer support. I'm very excited you started this journey with us. Thank you so much and enjoy your training.